Yo, what's up, y'all? We're back here in the garage. We just finished fully detailing the gt500. We got the J&L oil separator on, and we're about to show you what it's looking like. So let's have it. So we got the gt500 blinging. It's pretty easy to clean it now that I ceramic coated it the other week. Need a detail? Hit me up. We got you. Interior. The CMS rollbar is still looking great. Man, this thing is shining, boy. Look at that. Give me a little view of the gt500. Can never get enough of it. This car is sick. It's pretty scary now too, with this Whipple on it. So let's open this up and take a look. So this is what the J&L oil separator is looking like. As you can see, you gotta take the bolt out for the hood prop, and that's where it bolts to. Put the factory PVC valve back in and connect all the fittings. It's pretty easy to install. Same with the factory oil separator. We got that all boxed up. And it's looking great. Soon we'll take it for a spin, see what it's like. Sure, nothing's changed, but give it a little bit more room, a little breathing area in there, since the factory one took up quite a bit of space. And then we got the factory one over here, boxed up, all the fittings and everything bagged up. So we're gonna throw this with the rest of the stuff that we took off, that's factory, and leave it sitting on a shelf in case we need it for the future for value or whatever. You never know. We got a whole stack of boxes full with a super factory supercharger and parts. Factory exhaust is back there. But yeah, the Whipple's great. This thing is an animal. And this thing is shining. Got the low-key banner on there. And while we're at it, we do have some beadlock drag wheels for it. As you can see, they're the welds. We haven't run them yet. We put them on the car to test fit them. We're waiting to get some G-force axles. Got the wheels shining up because we don't want to push it, and usually we drive our cars to the track and run them, and we're not trying to get stuck there like the last time. So hopefully in the future we may have to look into getting a trailer. So we were stuck there with the street sleeper. And as you can see, the transmission's still out. I think we might send it to Signature Speed. I think that's who does a lot of these. The 6R80s and 10R80s. And it's just going to be easier to send it out and have them do it. I've never done one before. I'm sure I could probably learn how to do it, but we'll see. We'll have a video of that on the future. But this is the gt500 all detailed up with the J&L oil separator on now. And yeah, just a little update for you guys of what's going on in the shop. So yeah, keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons. Keep tuning in, and I hope to have more content for you in the future. So till then, you know what to do. Peace.